Udah? Oke. Uh, uh, let me ask you guys something. Do you ever get fascinated by a piece of fiction? For example, your favorite movie, your favorite novel, your favorite book, etc. Well, do you ever think that the piece of fiction you're reading or you're watching, uh, hold on, I wonder if that piece of fiction can reflect on the world that we're living in? Well, hold on. Did you know that re- reading or watching fiction, reading or watching fiction can open your mind to different point of views and open your mind in different point of views around the world. And by that, in in fiction, sometimes the author takes real events or real aspects of the world, such as politics, corruption, poverty, etc. Uh, and and all that is just to make it more relatable and more real to the real world. For example, the Hunger Games. The Hunger Games was created by uh, Suzanne Collins. The story captures social inequality, the dangers of totalitarian regimes, and the power of, resistance and rebellion. By that, I think we can reflect how far we are from the story and how far we are from the story from today. Uh, and by that, I think we can skip the skip. It's not just the world that the story can reflect on. A story from a comic or a novel can be tools for us to inspire us to be better, despite all that we've been through. Fiction, fiction too, can provide us with comfort zones. Com- provide us a comfort zone for us. Yeah. Fiction can understand us even though it doesn't know us. Like for example, like the main character. Not only that, fiction can give you direction to you like how to be better person and uh, 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 not only that, fiction can give you a direction to be a better person. Uh, give you directions like when this it can be inspiring. A story can be a fiction. A piece of fiction can be inspiring, inspire us to do better and be a better person overall. My point is not just for entertainment. It's a foundation of untold ideas like your imagination, your creativity, a view in the world, and it can be a prediction of the world itself. Maybe if we keep going down this path, maybe this piece of fiction can resembles that. You know, can maybe we got an idea. You know. Uh, oh yeah. Also, fiction can give you a lesson on something new. Before apa ya? Before nggak jadi deh. My po- Tunggu dulu, belum. Sabar. Foundation of okay. To support this, I have read an article about how reading fiction can shape our real life by Francesca Lobaso. The article covers her journey when she was 17 years old, reading a war book that takes place in the Vietnam War. In the Vietnam War, the author of that book, uh, creates two fictional characters. I think it's a fictional character. I haven't read the full. But the author is a veteran himself. He was a Vietnam War veteran. Yeah. Uh, Aku tadi myself have some experience in fiction. I have a favorite game called Red Dead Redemption 2. The story talks about a guy, an outlaw, who who is named Arthur Morgan. He in the beginning of the story, he's a bad man. He's an outlaw after all. He he was he's doing heist he's doing heist, collecting debt money, and by that, then suddenly he got infected by tuberculosis. Uh, and after that, because in the time that the place takes in, tuberculosis is basically a death sentence. So he know there's there's nothing he can do, and he just and he, when he ne- when he reflects on himself, he realized he did many bad things. He's and he regretted for it. He regret that he collect he collect the debt. He forced someone to give them money and robbing, uh, and how he treated people badly and maybe killed some people. And uh, and near the end of the story, uh, he was very regretful and he tried to be a better person. While he's living his last days, he tried to be a better person by helping his friend, repaying, giving money to uh, all the people that he's done bad for. And in the end, he died. He died while helping his friend. I think that is a poetic ending because Arthur Morgan in the beginning of the game, he is a bad man. He's in it, and the end he died watching the sunrise and taking his last breath. Uh, that story really inspires me to do better. When I was around 6 years, when I was in elementary, I was a troublemaker. Uh, when I was get mad, when I usually get mad very easily. I remember like I almost throw a chair on people to people. uh, and when someone wake me up, I punch them because I don't want to get waked up. And when I got called to the principal office for not doing my work, I decided to rip it, rip the paper in front of the the apa ya? Apa sih the principal? Yeah, and I regretted that. Uh, and that really I did I end of the when I finished the game. It's really wow, wow. Uh, and fiction, there is I think you all know who Spider Man is. Yeah. Uh, Spider Man. Many people can relate to Spider Man or even like Spider Man because he's not just a typical superhero who is strong, has laser eyes, who can fly. He is just a teenage boy who got bitten by a radioactive spider and got powers. Throughout the story, we when we watch when we watch Spider-Man, when we watch Spider-Man, we think, wow, he has to live both life as a superhero and a teenage. He, and eventually Uncle Ben died. And aduh aku lupa lagi storynya kayak gimana. Makanya Ben died, and when when he was taking his last breath, he said, uh, "Great response, great, uh, great power comes with great responsibility." And I think that quote captured all of the Spider-Man in it. I think it's very great. Uh, uh, he had, and not only that problem, having have to live two life, he has to navigating complex relationship and grappling with the consequences of his powers and identity. I think that- Okay, let's rewind a bit. Uh, Reading or watching fiction can open your mind or point of views around the world. What I mean by this statement is that fiction lets you think of new ways to do something and or maybe solution. And by that, it we can reflect it to ourselves. fiction fiction too can be used as a personal growth and reflection. Fiction fiction too encourage critical thinking you can get from the mystery piece of fictions like Mr. Movie, apalah. Uh, uh, Maybe you can have your own character development from reading. Uh, Even have a character to yourself by reading a book or a piece of fiction. Anything. It can be a game. My character development is from Red Dead Redemption. That's why it's always in my heart. You know. Uh, Fiction too can be a tool to talk about your feelings. Maybe the character goes through the, s- the character goes through the same character development as you, or can share it. Or fiction can you in fiction you can also write about your ideas, share your ideas, your creativity. Udah sih, yes. That's all. Thank you for listening.